Hey
Yep.
everyone. Oh, see, are you on?
Yeah.
All right, go ahead.
No, you got.
No, I think.
No, I insist.
All right. Well, hey everyone, RG Fam Reacts here with another music reaction for you tonight. We are
Tomorrow morning.
listening to
Tuesday. Thursday.
What are we listening to?
Peter Gabriel. Even though we just listened to Genesis.
We just listened to Genesis, but we listened to Phil Collins singing on Genesis. So now we're gonna give Peter Gabriel a try, although not a Peter Gabriel Genesis song, a Peter Gabriel solo song. We're gonna do Sledgehammer. Do you know why we're doing Sledgehammer? Well, let me tell you why. One of the most requested songs in our comments as of late over the last month has been Sledgehammer.
Really?
Well, it's been a cover of Sledgehammer.
By who?
Who do you think?
Roses?
No. Who has the most comments? Who's
Tool?
As much as I wish that were the
Metallica.
case. No.
Dude.
Which fans love us the most?
Harry Styles?
Harry Styles fans. Harry Styles fans have requested a live version of Sledgehammer, but I don't want to do that until you hear the original. So today we're going to do the original, and then probably in the next set of videos we do, maybe next week, we'll check out the Harry Styles one. But I wanted you to hear this one first. So, you know.
Yep. Got it.
So,
love me some Harry Styles.
Yeah. So, this song was a huge hit in the 80s. It had a crazy video of just his head, as you can see right here, and just stuff going around his head the entire video. That's all it was. And it won a lot of awards and stuff. So, this song's okay. Salisbury Hills, obviously, his super mega hit. And no. And then In Your Eyes, that was actually my prom song. It's from a movie, Say Anything. It's a very good song, but it shouldn't have been a prom song.
Should we start doing movies? Reacting.
I'd love you to direct some. Absolutely. Yeah, definitely do. But in the meantime, here's Sledgehammer by Peter Gabriel.
Oh, okay.
Up and down, all around the bends. You could have a bumper car bumping. This amusement never ends. I wanna be the sledgehammer. Why don't you call my name? Oh, let me be a sledgehammer.
All right, we're 2 minutes in already, but I just wanted to let all that kind of flow and set in.
It's a little funky.
Yeah. Yep. What do you think so far?
What genre is he like?
What genre? He's
Punk?
pop.
Pop
Well,
punk?
not
Indie?
punk. I mean,
Funk.
punk. No,
I
I
said
mean,
pop funk.
again, like Genesis was considered prog rock, progressive rock. Solo stuff is just poppy, pop.
Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay. I mean, are you digging it? Are you feeling parts? No. Give us a little more here.
Not my cup of tea. Is he British? That'd be.
He is certainly British.
Get it? Cause but
Any of it sticking to any of it? Let's keep going. Maybe something will stick out to you.
maybe.
Show me around your fruitcakes, 'cause I will be your honeybee. Open up your fruitcakes, where the fruit is as sweet as can be. I wanna be your sledgehammer. Why don't you call my name? You better call the sledgehammer. Put your mind at rest. I'm gonna be the sledgehammer. This will be my testimony. I'm your sledgehammer. Let there be no doubt about it. The sledge, the sledge,
I don't know what instrument that is. Maybe somebody can tell us in the comments. I don't think it's just a flute. What do you think it is? A
Like KOTE. Look it
Oh, okay.
up. Look it up quick.
Yeah, we'll look it up later.
No.
KOTE.
I think. Instrument. It's like KOT. Look up KOT. KOT instrument. Kodo. It's a kodo. I'm almost positive it's a kodo.
A koto is a stringed instrument. This is not that's not a stringed instrument.
Really?
It says right there.
Then I think it's
I think it's just a straight flute.
It's a little low to be.
Yeah, it's something. But I mean, it's a cool sound.
Yep, I like it now. Over here, when it's being mixed.
Yeah.
In the mix.
shed my skin. This is the new stuff. I go dancing. Oh, to show for me. I will show for you.
So there you have it. Sledgehammer by Peter Gabriel. One of his big solo hits. Where did it end up with you? Where are you feeling?
I thought the outro was a little excessive.
Yeah.
Yeah. It didn't need to be that loud. I don't like it. My cup of tea.
Okay, it's very 80s.
You guys get it? Because he's British?
Okay, that joke worked once. Every one of them has rolled their eyes or at least turned off the video now because of
I mean, I really didn't like the
No?
No.
That's all the energy in the song. I mean that's actually I liked probably the ending is probably
Favorite?
the best part of the song for me. I was never a fan of the song growing up. To be honest. It's a song that was one of those ones that was played. It was on MTV all the time because of that video, because the video was cool and phenomenal, whatever. But the song was one of those ones that I just never really got into. I do really appreciate some of Peter Gabriel's other stuff. Like I say, like Salisbury Hill's classic and In Your Eyes is classic. But Sledgehammer to me was always kind of, yeah.
That's what it is.
But I appreciate Peter Gabriel for who he is and contributions. What? Well, you will when you hear other things.
Appreciate him or I'm not?
You'll appreciate him, and now you know who he is. He was the singer in Genesis, and he was also a very successful solo artist.
Tomorrow, if you ask me who Peter Gabriel is,
you'll remember because we did this video.
No.
So, let me ask you this. Well, first, what's your score? Out of 10. 4 out of 10.
Yeah.
I mean, I'm not a fan of it, but I'm still going to give it a 6. It's
actually
slightly above average. You know, it's not bad. 3. Whoa. So that's just.
I couldn't see myself like.
No. So all that being said, what do you think Harry Styles can do for this song?
I think he can make this song 10 times better.
Do you?
I really do.
Really?
I really do.
So is this making you more excited to see Harry Styles do the song?
Yeah.
Really? Whoa.
Comparing what I know of Harry Styles to this song.
You just insulted every Peter Gabriel fan out there.
Wait. I'm just comparing this song to a song like Falling.
Okay. I mean, look, I'm not disagreeing. I mean, he very well could have a
She does.
Harry Styles very could have. I'm sure. I'm pretty sure Harry Styles has a better vocal range and vocal ability than Peter Gabriel, but that's not. He's still an amazing musician. But anyway,
yeah.
All right. Well, hey, tune in next week when we dive into the other version of this song.
Yeah.
And see what happens. Thanks for watching. Like, comment, subscribe. Should we show them Salisbury Hill and In Your Eyes, or any other Peter Gabriel song or a Peter Gabriel Genesis song? Let us know in the comments which one you think would be best. Thank you for supporting the channel. Check out our Patreon page,
please,
where we have a lot of TV show full episodes of TV shows on there as well. Album reactions coming soon. But we really appreciate your support in any way. Have yourself a wonderful day, and we will see you next time.
Hey, Dad, what's your favorite color?
Blue.
Mine's acronym.